Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we'll make a pumpkin pie. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need a 9-inch round of pie dough, 2 eggs, 3/4 cups of sweetened condensed milk, 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin, and a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. I'm going to make 2 pies, so I'm doubling this recipe. We'll start by preheating our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, we'll flour our work surface and roll out our pie round, adding more flour as necessary so the dough doesn't stick. You should roll your pie round slightly larger than the pie dish, then fold it into quarters for easy transport, and unfold it, press it in, and then trim the edges, leaving about a 1/4 inch overhang. If you're making a second pie, do this a second time. Next, we'll blind bake the crust. We'll add some pie weights to the crust to weigh it down, and then place it in our oven at 425 degrees for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll remove the blind baked crust from the oven and allow it to cool while we mix our filling ingredients. Because I'm making a double recipe, I'm going to beat together 4 eggs, 1½ cups of sweetened condensed milk or 1 12-ounce can, 1½ cups of sugar, 4 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, a teaspoon of salt, a 30-ounce can of pumpkin, and 2 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk. Our blind baked crust has cooled, so now we'll remove the pie weights, straighten out the crust a little, and then fill it 3/4 of the way with our pumpkin pie filling. I'm using a 1-cup measure to transfer the filling to make it easier. We'll then carefully place the pies in our preheated oven, allowing them to bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll reduce heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for an additional 50 to 55 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. It's been 55 minutes and the toothpicks have come out clean, so our pies have now finished baking. We'll remove them from the oven and allow them to cool for at least 3 hours before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.